In this video, I want to show you how to prepare your iPhone 16e for a resell. Let's say you're planning to resell it and you don't want the next person to have access to your pictures, to your data, to your apps, anything, all right? What should you do? Well, to do that, you first need to go into the settings of your phone and make sure you have backups of everything you don't want to lose before doing what I will show you, because again, everything will be deleted. Once you're over here, go down and select General. Go down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings. Press Continue, erase iPhone, type the passcode of the iPhone, wait, and if you had an Apple account linked to this iPhone, it will also ask you to type the password of your Apple account. And then this will happen. The phone will factory reset and will delete everything. So now you just have to wait. Let's come back when it's done. Actually, it's very quick, so you don't have to wait much time. All right, so after around 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I got this screen and I'm able to set up this iPhone as a brand new one. Nothing is kept from the previous owner. So I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.